What's going on, guys? Welcome to Invest with a Purpose. Today's video, we're going to be going over the ShibaSwap rewards that have come out, or at least for me, I think some of them at least. I know for a lot of people, they've been waiting on that and trying to see when that was going to come out. I was on a live stream with Your Pop last night, and we were actually talking about that and waiting for those to drop. However, they did not. So at the time of this recording, being around like 5 p.m. on the 25th, they have updated, which is interesting because the last update and the last time we got rewards was on the 20th. I don't know if you guys remember that, and that was a Tuesday. So it's interesting that we're getting them on Sunday. So are we going to be getting them on Sundays or Tuesdays, or when are we going to be getting them every single week? That's a question that I have, and I'm not too sure what exactly that means. However, I want to talk about the rewards that I've got. So as you guys know, let's get right into the bury SHIB. So I buried SHIB for about 2 weeks or so, or maybe a week and a half at the beginning of the liquidity event, and I got very little of each thing. This is coming soon for some reason, so I guess I haven't updated there. And this is the same as the last time, so I'm not sure if it hasn't updated or not, but there was a theory. So a lot of people were disappointed with the first drop of the reward. So on the 20th, what, 5 days ago or so? Yeah, 5 days ago, people were very disappointed with the rewards and saying that they weren't very good, which, as you can see, they weren't. I had over a billion SHIB staked, and I got 0.0013 of Ethereum, which is literally pretty much nothing. So I really didn't get much there, a little bit there, and I think I got 25 bone. For whatever reason, it's not showing up here, but I got 25 bone for that week and a half as well, which is just really bad compared to something like the liquidity pools where I was making 20 bone a day. Or no, I'm sorry, 20 bone an hour. So 20 plus bone an hour versus 25 bone in an entire week and a half. Not very good. So a lot of people are hoping that these rewards update for that first week, and that first drop was only a little bit or partial of our investment and not the whole thing. So hopefully we see an update there. However, it has not updated for me. Now, if I go over to my woofing, I do see an update here. Still very small. Right here, I've got 75 cents and $1.50 unwoofable. So total, what is that, like a $2.25? Yeah, something like that. And then over here, we've got $3 of USDT and $6 unwoofable. So basically about $9. It is what it is. I mean, I guess you shouldn't be staking or providing liquidity for the extras that you get because it doesn't seem that great. Unlike with my with this, like in the last 2 days, I've gotten over 100 bone, which is awesome. Which comparing to these numbers is just really, really bad, which is just why I guess a lot of people were disappointed, because you see something like this where at $3 per bone, which we're at 320 right now, but at $3 per bone, that's a little over $300 in 2 days. And then over here we've got $8 in 2 weeks, like $9 in 2 weeks. Or this is in all this is about 2 weeks worth of DAI and USDT. So it's not like, what is that, $10, $11, maybe 12? Like, it's really not good, and it made us expect a lot greater things when we're seeing numbers like how we're seeing from liquidity, and which is why, and if you guys have not already seen that, check out my last video. But that's why I took all of my money out of burying and staking and provided it in liquidity pools. However, I think people had a valid point when they were talking about me missing an opportunity, and if it were to blow up overnight, which is possible, by being in the liquidity pair that I'm in, because I'm not holding any SHIB here. In Bone ETH, I'm not holding any SHIB. However, if I were to join this liquidity pool, I would get less bone. However, I would be able to have bone and Shiba Inu rather than bone and Ethereum, and bone and SHIB will grow more than bone and Ethereum, which is true. However, I will get less bone. It's something that I'm thinking about. I'm not 100% sure. I will obviously keep you guys up to date. However, what I'm thinking is every time that I woof bone, my woofable bone, taking that and transferring that into Shiba Inu to start building up my Shiba Inu portfolio as well. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about that. I know a lot of you are diehard like buy and hold, but you guys got to remember that everybody has their own perspective and everybody has their own way of doing things. For me, I did it through the liquidity pair so I can make extra thousands of dollars to buy back into Shiba Inu. With what I've made around $9,000 profit through Shiba Inu, or through this liquidity pool. And then with that being said, 9,000, that's 1.5 billion more SHIB that I can buy now. That's really awesome, and that was something that I wanted to do. I didn't buy into liquidity pools so that I could never invest in Shiba Inu again. I want to invest in Bone and Shiba Inu right now, really, really, really badly. However, this is giving me the most Bone possible that I'm generating for free, that I don't have to add extra money to. I'm generating Bone for free right now. So that's kind of my plan. I am really liking where I'm at right now as far as like still making Bone, pretty good Bone every day. I'm making around 50 Bone per day, and it's just looking pretty promising. Let's check out the price of Bone on the charts here. It looks like we've been consolidating for a little bit now. Try to pull this off. Yep, here we go. Looks like we've been consolidating for a little bit here. We had a huge push up. What was that? Yesterday, early yesterday. So from late of the 23rd and early on the 24th, we saw a huge push, and then ever since then, we've seen some consolidation. However, it's looking like we're about to be approaching a support level. So all of my people who invest in Bone and are bullish on Bone, this looks like it could be a decent buying opportunity to add to your position here because it's looking pretty good here. If we take a look on this side and we draw a resistance level here, we probably want to make it parallel to that. Come up. And this looks like the channel that we're kind of in right now. Probably a little bit lower than that, not 100% sure because it's not stable yet. We've only seen it go up and down 2 times now. So if this hits this support level and it actually starts to bounce, which it looks like it's happening a little bit here. So if we see a bounce here and it goes up to around the 4s, then we'll know, okay, what type of channel we're in. We'll know that we're in more of this type of channel, or if it's an actual secure channel. Not 100% sure. However, if we duplicate here, let me clone this, and we draw a mid layer, we can see that we are seeing consolidation on the mid layer many times. So we can expect it to come up to maybe 3.6. And that might be a good time to buy as well. So 3.2, 3.6, and 3.9, almost 4 probably. That's where we'll start to see our channel there. And let's check out Shiba Inu as well on TradingView. Right now, I think we're looking pretty decent. I looked last night. Overall market looks like it's pulling back. Let's take a look at CoinMarketCap here. So overall market is down today. Wow, that is not ideal. However, yesterday we were looking really good. Interesting, actually. So Bitcoin is up. However, the rest of the market is starting to dip a little bit. I wonder what is causing that. And that is kind of against what we normally would see here. So we're seeing green for Bitcoin and we're seeing red for other things in the market. Theta is doing well. Wrapped Bitcoin is doing well as well, obviously. A lot of things are slightly red today. It's nothing crazy, but you know, it's not too bad. What else are we looking at here? Shiba Inu. Let's see. So we are dropping in market cap, which is not ideal, but I think that we'll see it recover very soon. What else? Let's take a look at exactly what's been going on today. So we're down 2% when Bitcoin, which is very small. It's not even a big deal at all. But I'm just surprised to see so much red in the market with Bitcoin being up almost 2%. That's odd. Which I don't hate it. I like to see that the market is starting to have its own things rather than being so dependent on Bitcoin. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're dipping a little bit. We're staying above our support levels though. As long as we stay above this 5.7 mark and don't drop below 5.5 at least, that would be really nice. So looking to buy in right now on Shiba Inu. I honestly am probably going to be starting to swap over some tokens from Bone to SHIB now, and pretty soon because Bone is at a decent price right now. Shiba Inu is down. So I'm probably going to be switching over and adding my position and growing back up to my billion in SHIB. So if you guys want to see a Road to 1 Billion series once again, I know you guys really liked that before. If you guys want to see that again, let me know. Oh, this was kind of blocking here. Sorry about that, but yeah, you guys saw the channels. It's really nothing too complicated. But yeah, we want to see it buy here at around 3.1. We could potentially see a resistance level here at 3.5, 3.6, and then we see it rise all the way up to a 4. So yeah, this is what I'm thinking for the future of Bone as of right now. However, this could all change. We never really know exactly. We just have to hope that it stays above this support level. Nothing is really set in stone for Bone because it's so fresh. But if you guys want to see Road to 1 billion, basically restart and grow it back up, and you guys can do it with me, and everybody that's been stacking up their coins can grow with me again. I know a lot of people loved that before. Let me know. Let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in the comments. So that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to go over the rewards, kind of look at the charts a little bit. Rewards still not looking great. Hopefully we see something a little better here, but honestly, it's not looking too good right now, guys. It's not looking too good. So anyhow, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to invest every second of every day with a purpose. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.